What is up guys, Dan at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your OneDrive to n8n. So first head over to the n8n's website, and then if you are new to n8n, just simply click on get started. But if you already have an n8n account, click on sign in and then sign in with your n8n account. And after signing in, you will be redirected to the home page of n8n. So from here on the right side, you need to click on create workflow, and after that you will be redirected to the editor page. So from here you need to click on add first step and then trigger manually. After that, click on this plus icon and then search for OneDrive. After searching for OneDrive, you will see Microsoft OneDrive here. Click on it once, and then you can choose from file actions, you can choose from folder actions, but I'll choose a trigger. So I'll click on triggers, and then I will click on file created because I want an on file creation trigger. So I'll click on file creation, and after that you need to click on select credential, click on create new credential. After that you will see the button to connect my account. Click on that and then it will ask you to connect your OneDrive account to your n8n by just signing in with your OneDrive account. So just simply sign in and give permission with the OneDrive account. After signing in, it will ask you about the permission. Click on accept, and after that, boom guys, your uh, Microsoft OneDrive account has been connected to n8n. As you can see, the connection is successful. Just simply close this window, and here you can see the account is connected. So when the account is connected, you just need to go back, and after that in the mode section you can change the mode to every minute, every hour, every day, every week, or you can just custom yourself. And if you want to add a poll time, you can click on this and add a poll time, and when you will see the trigger on option, click on this once and then a drop down list will appear. So from here you can choose from file created, file updated, folder created, or folder updated. Whichever trigger you want to choose, you can choose it, and when you are done, just simply close that, and then your Microsoft account has been connected to n8n. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.